Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to see forms in HTML exercise 2. In the previous video, I have already covered exercise 1 based on the text field. Now today we are going to see exercise based on password field set tag, text area tag. Let's see this practically. Now see here, this is what the text field, right? Input type is equals to text. This indicates it is a text field, right? And this is the label for this particular input element. That is type is equal to text and it is text field, right? Now see here, the just below it, this is what label for and name, that is last name, and I have changed type from text to password, okay? Type is equals to password. See the difference. Here it is text and here it is password. That's why here it is indicating what this input element is of type password field. Okay. This is the text field. This is the text field and this is of the password field where type is equals to password. Right. And this label is for this input element. Right. Where type is equals to password. Let's execute this file and see. Now, after executing of the file, you can see here, this is how the form is looking. So here I can write Asad and here I can write Tamboli, right? So basically here you can see this is the text field. This is the text field and this is the password field, okay? This is the password field, as here the characters are seen like bullets, right? That's why here we can say this is the password field. Now, one more thing over here. Here, if I add one more attribute like value, okay? Value is equal to, suppose here I write, this is me, right? This is me, quotes complete. So basically, if I specify something with the help of this value attribute, this is telling us what? Okay, whenever the page is loaded onto the web browser, then this message or this characters will be displayed by default in this text field. Okay, in this text field. Let's see. I save this file and let's see the execution. If I refresh this, yes. So here you can see after loading of this particular web page, here by default the message is coming. This is me. Okay. Now let's see the another attribute. Here the another attribute. If I add size attribute, like size is equal to, if I specify the size of this text box only for 10 characters, right? Let's see what happens. Save this file. Let's refresh it in the browser. So here you can see the size of this text box has changed, right? It has changed to 10 characters. It has changed to 10 characters. One more attribute we can see over here. That is max length, okay? That is max, MAXLENGTH. Okay, max length, maximum length of that particular text box. Okay, so here suppose we specify the maximum length as 2 characters. Okay, suppose 2 characters. Let's save this file. Okay, and refresh this into the browser. Here data. So here I have executed this file and here I am saying what? I am making use of maxLength property. maxLength property, in maxLength property I had given what? Max length is equal to 2. Though the size of this text field is what? 10 characters, but I am specifying the maximum length is 2 for entering the data, right? So let's see what is coming here. Let's refresh this file, right? See here, if I remove this, right? If I try to add over here, ASA, see it is not taking more than 2 characters. It is not taking more than 2 characters. Though the size of this character is of 10 character, size of this text field is of 10 character, but max length is telling what? Only 2 characters can be entered into this text field, okay? Now suppose if I want to add certain caption to my form, caption to my form, then we can make use of field set tag, okay? Inside the form, I'm going to make use of field F-I-E-N-D, field set tag. Okay, and it must be closed before closing the form tag. Okay, then here F-I-E-L-D, field set tag. Okay, and inside the field set tag you're going to write one more tag, that is nothing but legend. Okay, Legend, right? Legend tag. Here you're going to write user information, suppose. Okay, and here suppose like this, and closing of the legend tag, Legend, right? This is how you're going to add caption to the form. Okay, now let's see and execute this file. What happens? Okay, just refresh this file. So here you can see this is how the field set along with the caption it is coming. Okay, the box is indicating what field set, and inside this the legend is coming like user information. Okay, so this is how the field set tag is working. Basically, field set tag defines the border around element in a form. So this border is made using the field set tag, and this user information, this is coming with the help of legend tag, that is nothing but the caption for a field set element. Okay, now let's see the text area tag. Let's see text area tag. Suppose I am adding over here text area. Text area. Since I said when user need to enter multiple lines, then we are making use of this text area tag. Okay, text area tag. So here in this I'm going to write how many rows text field you want to make. Suppose rows is equals to 2, right? Rows is equals to suppose 5 I can take over here in the single quotes, and here columns I need to specify, that is COLS column, right, is equals to how many columns you want, right? Suppose in this I want 3 columns, right? And here certain things I'm going to write. From there I'm going to take this about notepad. From here I'm going to copy this. It's not victim content. Let's see, try different way. Like this I'm going to copy, right, and I'm going to paste it over here. Suppose I'm writing it here, and closing of text area. Let's see what happens. Closing of this text area tag, right? text text area tag. Let's close this, save this file, and let's see what happens. Just for your understanding, I'm making this. Here you can see this is nothing but the text area with this scroll bar. Okay, with this scroll bar. As I said, here we are going to take 5 rows. So this text area has occupied 5 rows, and it has taken 2 columns. So this is what the concept of text area. It defines a multi-line text input control. Text area is nothing but multi-line text input control. Okay, so these are the example related to the control elements of the form. We will see in the coming video more control elements like checkbox and radio button. So please keep on watching my lecture series. Thank you for watching the video. Your comments will motivate me for making such more videos. Thank you for watching the video.